Yeah, this what we doing today. So I ride with Lil Bro. What we doing today?
We're gonna pick up a car.
Where the car come from?
Off the lot, we don't work.
Yeah, you see. So we get my H&L go pick up this whip.
Yes, sir.
Just stay whipping it out still through the outside.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, still. That's my little brother. I used to with brother, but that's my brother and I used to brother, so it don't matter little or big. So take your time to figure it out on the camera. There you go, over it. Yeah, you see. So he in one.
Go, get it.
One there. One there. One there. Got getting in the garbage. Garbage. Yeah, you see. One there. One gone. One coming. One parked down the road. Yeah. All type of things. Good Rodney Monk could say thanks. Thanks. I ain't gonna run that back for y'all. Yeah. But you gonna get one bear. You ask me if I want one bear. I say, yeah, but I on little bro time today. Still, that's how we muggling too. So we get y'all up when we get to the lot. Yep. There we is. We on the lot. The lot. Speedy, that's the thing there. Yeah, you ain't got shopping still. Yeah, we did a car a lot. Yeah. Yeah, with my little brother. Picking out a car. Picking out a car today. You see, this is the type of car sis drive over here. You get a Honda CRV, Stream CRV, Sentra. Nice Sentra up to date, boy. What that is? Nissan got so much cars though. What that say? Whoa, what that name? Ooh. Yeah, Prius.
Can I help you?
Tiana. Oh yes. How you doing? Hey, my little brother, he come to get the car. I just vlogging. Walking around the lot vlogging. Yeah, he went inside already to I guess deal with it. Yeah. Oh, this Camry nice. I like this Camry. It's a nice car. It's a nice Camry. Nice inside, right on drive. A lot of cars over here, right on drive, Japanese. It's not a Camry. On the Mark X. Mark X is a nice one. Oh, that's a nice Tiana with the wheels. Look at the motherfucking wheels on the Tiana. Yeah, you see my caliber cars, but these are some nice cars though. The screen in the Mark X. Nice Mark X. Ooh, the front end on this. Yeah, we just buy this new Rover right here. This the Rover right here still. So, little bro, show them you pulling off in the Rover.
Yeah, man.
Oh, anyway. Plates.
And that's 140. Yeah, she can get the stickers and tell I can put them on.
We riding in still.
I can put them on.
So, you know, this the way the young men, the niggas, the fellas, the guys, whoever, this how they ride over here, Honda. You know what I mean? You get a nice Honda with the nice Honda, you know what I mean? With the mix material. Yeah, right on drive. With a nice dashboard. Clean! Little bro get it off the lot, nice. New used. That's what we call it, new used vehicles. You know?
Yeah, tell them they in the car.
Everything motorized. Yep, seat motorized.
Be careful now.
Yeah, she look good.
No.
She gets some stock wheels on the thing. It's on the Inspire, not a Accord. But it's V6 though. You know, that's the big thing. You know, V6. Yeah, Accord. Yeah. Yes, sir. Got that clean engine. So how'd feel? Tell the world how'd feel. You know what it is.
Feel great.
Off the lot. The first off the lot.
Yeah.
Alright now. I done had mine off the lot now. This is first time off the lot. with a 3.5 IP Tech engine and the Inspire. You know,
ain't nothing in here.
yeah,
That's that.
clean. You know, right here, bringing it to you. Like I said, we're gonna keep this live. You know what I mean? You know, little bro is a beast, so y'all gonna see this again, and this will look totally different. You know, you got the little side, little blinkers, the little wind guard on the side for the window. Looking good, doing good. Yeah. Yeah. Running good, running good. Yeah, so that's it there. You know, right on drive on the Inspire. Chose off the lot. You know, with all the cars. So, yeah, it's on the man. So, yeah, the under off the lot. Clean Inspire. You know, so. Yeah, little spoiler there, little spoiler, I know. Yeah, she look good, so doing things, and more things, you know what I mean? You get it together. So, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is a new year, 2020. We bringing it to you live. We can keep bringing it to you. You know what I mean? Like I said, we get more and more stuff. Yeah, they ain't got nowhere to park these cars, but we can make it work, we can make it fit. You dig? Stay tuned. Till next time.